Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1971 MGB GT. It's a two-door, basically a two-seater coupe. It's the coupe version of the Roadster. And this is a 71. It's finished in mineral blue with black trim. It's 4-speed, MINILITE alloys, and quite an impressive driving little car. This car has been very well sorted out. Approximately 11,000 miles ago, it had an engine rebuild. It's fitted with a higher performance aluminum cylinder head, Weber carburetor, free flow exhaust system with headers, electronic ignition, high torque starter. So MINILITE alloys with these very nice grippy high performance Yokohama tires. So you know, sort of has this really cool competition flavor about it. Drives very well. It was just slightly pulling to the right, and we're gonna just take a look at that. But halogen headlights. So let me take you around the car. Cosmetically, I would say it's in very, very good driver's condition. Sun's a bit bright today, but yeah, let me take you around the car. I really like the look of this car, especially in this color. This mineral blue is fantastic on it. So, but yeah, let's go panel by panel. So, so the paint job looks quite nice and kind of on the newer side. It is showing a few little small little chips here and there, but very nice and glossy overall. Great color on this closed version of the MGB. There's a little chip there you can see. Bonnet's quite nice. Chrome work, the bumper and the grille, they're fantastic on it. Like I said, halogen headlamps. Little scratch down here I'm seeing that can be touched in. There's a little ding there. Another little baby scratch right there, but you know, easily touched up. Up top here I'm seeing just a tiny slight bubble there, but the roof's lovely, all the glass is good, the rubber's good. Underside on this car is absolutely perfect. Not a speck of rust anywhere. There is a little bit of moisture that's gotten in the screen rubber here, and it's starting just a little tiny bubbling up, but I'm sure that can be taken care of by a decent painter. Little line here, I don't know what's going on. It's probably a joint where the roof connects to the body, but nothing really scary at all on this body. It looks pretty honest and straight and clean and original. Good gaps. There's another picture of those really cool modern alloys. So, you know, paint wise, a really good 7 out of 10, maybe an 8. Chrome work is nice. The bumpers look new front and back. All the lenses look nice and clean. All the glass is good. So it's the original glass here. I'm sure the windshield's newer. That's been, oh no, this is an original triplex windshield even on the front screen. So, but no, cosmetically a very smart looking car. You know, from 5 or 10 feet. Let's look at the interior here. The interior's trimmed in black. These look like the original door panels to me. There is a little bit of warpage there you can see, but that's very typical of the year. Seats are in lovely condition. They've definitely been reupholstered in the correct pattern, in the correct vinyl. Door seals are in good shape. Carpets are nice. They're fitted with Luke carpet kit. Headliner's the original. That's quite decent. Back seat is pretty nice as usual. There are a few cracks in the dash. There's enough vinyl there to have the dash professionally repaired, or you can fit a dash cap, which is what a lot of buyers like to do. A lot of owners fit those dash caps. So the nice thing about this car, it's got this nice hatch lid. You can fit a lot of stuff back here. You've got this fold down seat which flips down like an E-Type Jag. But you've got nice carpeted area here. There's a look at the back seat again. That's near perfect because hardly anyone goes back there. Really nice wood steering wheel. I'll show you that. Gauges are functioning great. Car's running normal. Nice cozy cabin on these BGTs. I can see why they're really sought after. They're you know, they're really great looking closed cars, which the market's really after this two-seater coupe market right now, especially in the affordable car market. Speedo shows 41,000 miles, 300. But the temp stays right in the middle of the gauge. There also is an auxiliary cooling fan switch here. So very tidy interior overall, quite nice. Definitely really doesn't need anything doing. But like I said, you could improve it with just a dash cap or having that dashboard repaired. I'll take you around the other side here. Yeah, that's the driver's door. That's beautiful. But you can see here, that original wheel's in lovely condition. Perfect driver's seat. Let me show you the underside here, which is really lovely. It's always been an original mineral blue GT. So engine bays all completely original, which is nice. All matching to the exterior. It looks like the brakes have had lots of work. Engine's fantastic on this car. Really gets up and goes well, revs hard. It's fitted with that downdraft Weber and a set of headers. It looks like it's got a new aluminum cylinder head. When they reproduce these cylinder heads, they really make them breathe well. So I'm sure it's got like a nice ported inlet system. You can see here all the ancillaries are newer, in great condition. But yeah, nice original engine compartment. He's also added all the padding to the underside, which is great. He's added these aftermarket shock absorbers there to keep the hood up. But yeah, nice car, nice little BGT. If you're in the market for one of these cars, this thing is just absolutely on the button, ready to go. You can see me driving it preceding this video. It really got a lot of power for that 1800. Really gets up and goes nicely. And great color on this car, fantastic. So, but yeah, 1971 MGB GT Sports Coupe, mineral blue, black trim, 4-speed, MINILITE alloys, very honest original car with a rebuilt engine not too long ago. Runs and drives wonderfully well, very solid underneath. Quite a nice little honest, well-preserved MGB GT. It's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.